Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use Hstack in Excel. So if you want to learn how to use Hstack function in Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see this is the table, this is actual, this is planned cell, and this is actual cell. Now here this is the table. Here you will see this is planned, this is actual, and this is difference. So I will use Hstack function and I will find out planned, actual, and difference here. Okay, so how to do it? You have to just press equals to Hstack. Okay, then it will ask for array. So first array, comma, now second array, comma. Now as I want to find out the difference, so it in third column you will see difference. So for to find out the difference, actual minus plan. Okay, now bracket close. So you will see this is the difference. So like this you can use Hstack in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.